Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Abul Hussain, who works as an assistant English teacher at Jorianala Ism Shase High School at Jorianala Ramun Cox Bazar. Dear students, welcome to the English second paper class, especially for the students of class 9 and class 10, has brought you by Jorianala Ism Shase High School. You know that the whole world has infected with dangerous coronavirus or COVID-19. In this situation, our headmaster Mr. Azizul Haq Siddar has decided to close down your school. But you don't have to worry, because our headmaster has also brought your classroom at your home, and it has been delivered at school Facebook page. Dear student, if you want to enjoy the class, you can get this class in school Facebook page. So without wasting your valuable time, let's get start your class. The topic you are going to learn today, the question. Dear students, at first we can know what is the meaning of tag question. Tag means jududaya or join, and question means prashna or query. Dear students, listen to me again. Tag means join or jududaya, and question means query or prashna. Dear student, do you know what is the definition of tag question? During the conversation, affirmative and negative question add it enter the sentences. This is called tag question. Tag question or question tag. There are two terms. Question tag, what or shabdati, British term, and tag question shabdati, American term. From two terms, especially the Bangladeshi students who follow the British term sometimes follow American term. So, question tag, other names or upper name, tail question. Dear students, there are two kinds of tag question. Number one, negative tag. Negative tag we have seen here. Sentence affirmative is equal to tag will be negative. Sentence affirmative, tag will be negative. Here, dear students, I have given an example. You are intelligent. Here is affirmative sentence. According to rules of tag question, we can do the sentences negative tag. Here, this is the auxiliary, this is the bar where we can take the bar here, and its short negative contraction around, and in this sentence you is subject. As subject we taken here you. In tag question, you must use last of the sentence interrogation mark as we take here interrogation mark. You are intelligent. Dear students, you have an important question. How will you write this answer in your answer script in the examination? Only answer or full sentence? You strictly follow the rules. In the examination, in answer script you will write complete sentences and then you will use comma. After that, if here any auxiliary verb, its negative contraction form we will write here. If there absent any auxiliary verb, you will take here operator do or does, and its contraction form here negative. So we take here Aaron, and as a subject we take here you. In the examination you will write full sentence and then you take this auxiliary verb. After that you will take the subject. Last of the sentence you will interrogation mark. I suppose you can understand properly this sentence. Number 2. Dear students, affirmative sentence. Sentence affirmative is equal to tag will be must negative. You are not intelligent. Here this subject is negative, and according to rules negative tag will be affirmative. Here auxiliary verb are, we take here are, and this subject you is subject, so we have taken here as a subject you, and last of the sentence we use interrogation mark. This sentence you will write your answer script from the question paper and then you will use comma. Last of the sentence take verb and then you will use subject. Last of the sentence you will be give question mark. Dear students, if you want to get 5 of 5 in your question, in your examination, you must know some auxiliary verbs or operator. English has 24 operator. I have drawn a picture in this one. Tense-based auxiliary verbs. Tense-based auxiliary verbs. According to tense, there are 12 kinds of tense. All the tense we need not for that question. We need only 7 tense which I draw in the board. Number 1, present indefinite tense. Without any auxiliary verb, you must take 2 operators for the present indefinite tense. Do or does. Do does, it's for the affirmative sentence. For the negative tag you should do, or you can do negative contraction don't or doesn't. For past indefinite tense, without any auxiliary verb, for the tag you will take as operator did, and did negative contraction form didn't. Future indefinite tense, shall, will, and its negative contraction form shan't and won't. Present continuous tense, there are 3 auxiliary verb or operator: am, is, are. Am, negative short form, in, is, isn't, are, aren't. There is an important question: aim, why it become am, why it become aim? It is an interesting topic here. This one I will discuss in next class. Now first continuous was where, and it short negative contraction wasn't and weren't. Present perfect have, has, and its short contraction form haven't and hasn't. Past perfect, only one operator auxiliary verb, had, and its negative contraction form hasn't. Dear students, Dear students, let's go start. What kinds of tag method can you get in your examination? Dear students, there are two kinds of tag method can you get in your examination. Number one, tag based on pages. Tag based on pages means sum of sentence will be given in your question paper like the pages. Tag based on isolated means single sentence. That means single sentence can you get in your examination, or this sentence will be given according to serial A, B, C, D, E. I have drawn the picture. Dear student, look at the board. There are two kinds of method. Number one, tag based on pages. Number two, tag based on isolated sentence. Tag based on isolated means single sentence. Tag based on isolated, tag based on pages. Some example has given here. We had better go there. Its answer you will write full of sentence. Had better go there. Now its answer here. Had is verb. Its short negative contraction form. Head on. We is subject. We take here. It will not sense. Take here subject, and last of the sentence we use interrogation mark. Dear students, after writing the answer in your answer script, must you will be write complete the sentence. After the sentence you will be use comma. Last of the sentence take your auxiliary verb or base form or operator, and then you will take subject. Last of the sentence you will be question mark. At last you will give the underline. Next one, why? Because the sky is cloudy. Here sky is subject. It is impersonal subject. For the impersonal subject you may take a subject. This is will be it. For the sky we will take here why? Because the sky is cloudy. I keep here comma. Last of the sentence in exchange or instead of sky I take here it. Here is verb. According to rules, its negative short form isn't it, and question mark. At last you can use here underline. Last of the sentence then. Let's go first. Here let's plus past person. We is let's plus us is short form it's let's. Here let's plus a full stop s. For this one we can use comma. After that for this one we will take shall we. Dear student, I hope you can understand properly. Then we discuss tag based on isolated sentence. Isolated sentence means you know that the sentence which will be given single or according to serial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have given some of the example here. Rina will read books. This is the affirmative sentence. Rina will read book, comma. Will its short negative contraction. Own. Beginning the sentence, when will we get the noun? Instead of noun, must you take pronoun? Rina, pronoun she, and edit question mark. Make the underline. I hope you can understand properly. Let us help him. Let plus the means verb plus us. Let plus us. For this one we will take let us help him. Let us help him. For the let plus us we will take shall we, and then interrogation mark. Make the underline. And last of the sentence, let plus me. Let plus me, this is our rules. Let plus me, let plus her, let plus him. The three personal pronoun one will have in the sentence. You will make the tag like do, it. Here we use comma. Let me, let him, let her. When we will have beginning of the sentence, you will take we, you, or won't you, and then I have given here question mark. Make the underline. I hope, dear student, you can understand properly. At last, I like to request you to enjoy Joyrana License Shasio online school. Thank you very much for enjoying my class. Stay home, stay safe.